Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a review of MLM Gateway. MLM Gateway. This is a social media a website actually for network marketers, pretty much. Online, offline, mostly online. People that market online, pretty much, and it's hundreds of thousand people. It's global. It's global. It ain't just national. It's global. You can connect with. Now, if you come in as a premium member, which is $25, $24.99, almost a little bit under $25, pretty much, and that could be for you can pay month by month. You pay as you go. You know what I mean? You can pay for 1 month and don't have to pay the next month. Or if you pay quarterly, every 3 months, it's $20 a month. So it's like, every 3 months you can pay $60, which I think is a better deal. But, I always did it as a free member, and I just hustled and just did, refer people, to my referral link as a free member. Cause as a free member, you get 10 credits. As a premium member, you get 15 credits for every, free member that signs up. Whether they upgrade or not. They sign up for free, you get 15 credits. If you're a free member, you get 10 credits. When they first start, they get 5 credits when they begin. If you're a premium member, which is $25 a month, if you go month by month, it's $25. If you go in a quarter, it's $20. Now, if they come and they upgrade as a premium, you get 50% off that $25, which is $12.50 per person, which is nice. So I'm seriously going to upgrade. I've been marketing online for a while, and that people need places. They need leads and prospects. And this ML Gateway been around to my knowledge. We're in 2019. To my knowledge, they've been around for about 4 years, four or 5 years. I know about them, but since 20, I know about them for about a good 4 years. Now, they might have been around longer, but I know about them for about a good 4 years. And it's a good site. I should have been, promoting it. I should have been upgraded. And I got a lot of leads, a lot of people I signed up from this website. So let me show you right here. See the members list right here? The members list right here. See what you can do? See, you can put United States, and you can put the region. Like what city in the United States they from. Now you can put Arkansas, whatever. So now it's going to register up. Strictly Arkansas people come up. See that? Strictly Arkansas. See? That's just United States. Look at this. You gotta go. Let's go Thailand. Now it's going to register Thailand. Now, what region? Okay. This strictly Thailand. It's all of them. When you don't put one specific one, you say all. It's all the cities in Thailand. You can inbox these people. They can understand English, and let you speak Thailand. Let you speak Thai. You can connect with all these people. I have a global business that's $5.95 US, and anybody can afford that. You get a $10 commission. It's called ORU, One Race United, ORU Marketplace. $6 a month, US dollar a month business. I can connect with everybody. These people, international, United States, whatever. The link be down at the bottom of this if you want to join that right there and everything. Plus, I'm going to make a video today how to sign up with ORU. So that's $6 a month program. Plus, there's a marketing system that you could pay one time that markets ORU. That's called Instant Cash Formula. But right here, getting back to ML Gateway, right here, this is a social media platform for network marketers where they go at and they sit back there. Now, some people might be looking for additional businesses to market online. They, another income, or just a lot of them just might be looking for help just to market their company. See, to marketers, I market picks and shovels, or places where I can market other places where marketers market, such as ML Gateway, Web Talk, IBO Toolbox, Oral, Social, and everything. So I refer people like this and bring them over there. So people from over there, I bring them over here to ML Gateway. So I get money on both ends. Now, for marketers, I normally market picks and shovels, like I said. For newbie people that didn't know market, don't market nothing online, I can promote my businesses and the tools I use. So I got both options and everything. So you want to join up with me. ML Gateway is fabulous, and they got the advertisement that you got to pay for, or you can earn through your credits. You can earn through your credits, ladies and gentlemen. So let me show you. Take it to advertisement. Jump. Advertising right there. Say create a new campaign. CPA clicks, CBI. See, I haven't did too much of these advertising, but here's business announcement. I think you get 5 credit as a free member, and you get 10 credit as a premium member, which is $25. Now, a business announcement is pretty much you just writing up a sort of like a what do you call it? So you put the title and you write a long paragraph about. You gotta have about 400 words explaining what your business is about, and you can put links and videos in it, and it's all for free. They give you 5 credits for writing a business announcement. You can do this as a free member. You earn 5 credits for this. You can write updates, how you making more money. You can put videos in there, all free. You can put links in there, affiliate links to your business, all free. We'll put the title right here. See, I did a couple on right there. My business is right there. Say come up, and then you start right there. Put a catchy title in parentheses and catchy title, and then write a business announcement. And then it got to be 400 words, and you'll get 5 credits for that. As a premium member, you'll get 10 credits. And as a new member that comes and signs up under you free, you get 10 credits. If you're a premium member, you get 15 credits. And each credit, ladies and gentlemen, and when you want to inbox and connect with somebody, is 1 credit. See, I have 21 credits right there. Or you can simply, you can buy credits, but it's kind of, you can earn them free if you work and you pump out a couple videos. See, if you pay every 3 months, it's $20. When you pay quarterly, you pay every month, it'd be $24. You're paying $25. You'll pay more really. But as you just want to try it out, give it a test run for 1 month and just make YouTube videos or refer them to this video. If you come under me, you come under my team, you refer them this video right here. I'll tell you right now, get back to the person that referred you to this video, me talking about it. If anybody, you're welcome to use my video. Anybody on my team, welcome to use this video right here. They can take this video off of YouTube and put their links inside the description and use my video and put their link of their ML Gateway link inside of there. If they don't have a video. If not, go to Screencast-O-Matic, download the Screenshare softwares. Screencast, SCREENCAST, Screencast-O-Matic, MATIC.com. Screencast-O-Matic, MATIC.com. And that's your screen share software, what I'm using right now. So pretty much the dashboard. Let me see, leads. I just start promoting this again. I don't know if I have any leads. Yeah, I got 1 person a while back. So yeah, I've been on the website. I signed it up, Marsha. So, all right. In the members area, message. Now I message to a lot of people, and you can welcome a lot of people that came up in there, and you can see what they just joined. Like I just messaged Sherry and this other person right here. He's from Africa or something like that, and this person right here, this guy right here, I forgot where he's from. He's international too, I think. But I have a marketing system, and I market leads softwares to network marketers. So that's why I kind of make my extra money right there. Because everybody needs leads and prospects for their business right there. So that's what I do. To a marketer, you market them picks and shovels. That's my thing. To a newbie person, you market your business, and there's tools that you use. So you can get profit from both ends. But pretty much, this is a cheap site, $25 a month. You can refer people and get $12.50 per premium customer, or it's a credit base and everything, or you can get 10 credits for a free member. You get 10 credits, and each person you message is 1 credit. So just make a YouTube video and refer. You get up to refer 100 people. Just the type of speaking, that's 1,000 credits. That's a lot of people. That's 1,000 people you can connect with. Or you can do a business announcement. You gotta do a whole lot of them because they five credits for a business announcement. As a free member, as a premium member, you get 10. And if you refer somebody as a premium member, instead of 10 credits, you get 15 credits. So let's say you refer 100 people as a premium member. That's 1,500 credits a month. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people you can connect with, because like I said, it's 1 credit per person. See right here, I got 21 credits. I can inbox connect with 21 people in here, United States or international. Don't even matter. It don't even matter. It's just leads for days on their sites. It's unlimited leads. It's well worth the $25 a month. I cannot stress it. When you out looking for a business, you got you know what I mean? You got an international business, a global business that's back there. You open to anybody. Now, like the companies business I've been promoting is Cash App, automatic cash app, by Bones Rodriguez, and it's a direct one members. It's a one-time $25 with the Cash App system, and it's peer-to-peer, right to your Cash App system. It's all about downloading free apps and making money with it. I got a video on that. Cash App system with Thomas Flowers, or automatic Cash App system with Thomas Flowers. I can't remember which one the name of the video is. Either automatic Cash App system or Cash App system with Thomas Flowers, or automatic Cash App system with Thomas Flowers. I don't know one of them, but look up my video on YouTube. But pretty much I'm wrapping this up. It's way too long and everything. Click the link down below. Join for free. Get a free membership. I mean, get a feel for the system and everything, and you can get 5 credits. I highly suggest you for the first month. Just, it ain't gonna hurt you. $25 first month. Get the 50 credits, and start referring people to it. Start referring people, and with the 50 credits, connect. Just connect with some people. And if premium, if you're a network marketer, or you new, just refer people to this. It's a lot of network marketers still do not use ML Gateway. If you go as a premium member, you're gonna get 50%. You can get $12.50 off each person you refer to this as a premium member. They can see the value in this and connect with that. You can get $12.50 a pop. You can make a business out of just this website alone. Just who's your target market? Network marketers. Newbie people also need leads and prospects. So you got two marketed groups of people. You can network marketers, one, and newbie people. If they got a business and they need leads, refer them to ML Gateway. But I'm out. Thanks for letting me share. Get signed, click the link, start a free account, get your feet wet. It's 5 credits. You'll get 5, I'll get 10 as a free member, but I'm upgrading and I'm going to 15 credits. And if you jump to a premium, I'm gonna get $12.50. Thanks a lot. This is Thomas Flowers, and I'm out.